Fly higher with IDP and Flywire. Want to win $3,000 USD for your study abroad journey? Take part in the IDP Flywire Fly Higher Award and be one of the 50 lucky students to win big. Here's how to apply in just 3 easy steps. Step 1. Make your payments. Access IDP's unique Flywire URL and make 2 foreign exchange transactions of at least $1,000 USD between May 1st, 2025 to July 31st, 2025. On your remittance advice, note down your payment IDs. You'll need them later. And don't worry, if you miss making a note of the payment ID, you can find them in your email. Step 2. Complete the application form and share your experience. Access the application form using the URL and complete your registration. Enter your contact details, the payment IDs of the 2 transactions made, and click Save and Next. Get creative with your testimonial responses and upload supporting documents. Step 3. Submit to win. Give your consent to marketing permissions, agree to IDP's terms and privacy policy, and click Submit Entry. You are 1 step away to win $3,000 USD. What are you waiting for? Tell your story, aim high, and take flight with IDP and Flywire.